Are you ready to build real-world AI-powered web applications using Google AI Studio from scratch to deployment in just 6 weeks? This is not just another course. This is a career-shifting journey designed to transform you from a regular developer into a highly paid AI-powered full-stack developer, the kind of engineer companies are desperately looking for in 2025 and beyond. We are standing at the edge of a new era. AI is not the future anymore. It's the present. And the developers who know how to combine front-end plus back-end plus AI plus deployment plus payments plus security will be the leaders of this generation. If you are ready to build apps that people can actually pay for, if you want to break free from tutorials and start building real products, if you are ready to turn your skills into income, this course is for you. If more than 500 people are interested in this course, I will start this 6-week full-stack AI app development program. If you want to join, just comment, "I'm in." Don't wait for the future to happen. Build it with your own hands.